Wow. What a crazy last few days. So today we had an epic run-up. For sure you were watching. I haven't done a video in, what, 4 days? So it's been kind of difficult to kind of catch up with everything. Well, if you were in the Telegram, we did some steady talking over the wasn't New Year's, over the weekend. That's what it was. So we did some steady chatting about things, and I learned about the ETF from one of the guys, and I started hearing more about it. And you know, we had a massive run today. Pretty good. But do you remember back in 2021 or 2020, we had sort of an ETF thing go on back in 2020, and the market ended up dumping, or it dumped because the ETF was approved. I can't remember. You just got to look it up. But I remember there was something significant with it. Maybe I'll talk about it tomorrow. Okay, so getting into Bitcoin currently the currency is liquid. This is a play on words. So we had speculation of the ETF approval, moved us up today, did really good. NASDAQ did great again. NASDAQ went massive positive today. It's incredible. Look at that. Excellent news today. I mean, everyone said it's a bear market. Everyone said that we're having a recession this year. We're not having a freaking recession. Don't listen to them, because they're just guiding you to failure. I don't even know what's playing, by the way. I'm just kind of listening to it too. It's like a Christian techno. That's hilarious. It's from the guy I always play anyway, so DJ Nightstar. That's so funny. All right, speaking of which, Jesus coin. Need that Jesus. Man, some of y'all in the chat on here need your sins forgiven. Like, it's just like, you go on the Telegram and it's just greed. And it's like, dude, I know that's the objective of investing, but like, if you want any sort of divine backing to a currency, or to a token, I would say that God's not going to honor people that are, and I'm not saying the owners or creators of the coin are. I'm saying that just the people that buy it are extremely greedy. And how's God ever going to honor something like that? Is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, looking at Jesus coin, we had something going on in the daily. It seems to be pretty squandered. So there's just no gas. Like, Jesus coin follows the dumping patterns really well, but it does not follow the buying patterns. So there's something going on here. Something more than people just buying and selling. There's something more going on. There's something holding it back. I find interesting. So whatever that is, I don't know if it's the MEV bot. I don't know if it's an exchange trying to buy as much as it can without really revealing itself. I don't know if that's what's going on. But something's happening in the back end. And that's what keeps me in this. And I know I've said that many times as my portfolio goes down. But something is happening. And I'm willing to gamble on that. Look at Bezo. We had that run up and then it turned back around. But daily is actually not looking that good. Okay, though. This is a long-term trade. ICP made a move up today. Big ass move. Look at that. The gas fell out of it. We'll see. Mobile. Not even gonna answer. Nails. Everything's following the same crap.
There is a divine design for each and every person.
Interesting.
There is a place.
So, I mean, earlier we had like clear technicals of what's going on, and it's weird. Could just be sort of melting up in a sense.
No one else can.
At a mark? Anything? I mean, you know, nice bottom formed, but it's not much time frame, so kind of difficult to predict where it's going to go, because when you look at a lower time frame, it just continues down in a pattern sense. Dixie, I thought it was ripping earlier. I guess it didn't. Weird. I swear, like sometimes they change the charts, like after they already done stuff. I swear they change the candles sometimes. I just may be losing my mind. That's why. It's psycho trading. Not much going on. It's just like mainly news. Like we're waiting on this ETF approval, which in the Telegram I said that we're probably not gonna get the ETF approval. As much as I want to, I want the bull market to start. I think it's too early. I really do. I think that's still a lot of time left. Although, I mean, I'd be totally fine if the bull market started. I really would be. I'd be happy if it did. Be freaking awesome. If you're wondering what these lines are, yes, they look like trend lines. They're drawn a special way called psychosis lines. You can learn how to do this at psychotrading.org. Let's get into the weekly on Bitcoin. Looks like we're getting a slight curve on the wave, and RSI is doing some funky stuff. That's cool. We may be getting a move up. Like the 2-day, same thing, sort of playing out. If we go into monthly, on auto, sort of playing out its thing. You know, look at Haganashi. It was a clearer picture. Seems like we're sort of getting most of the volume is selling at that line, but you could get that breakthrough. Really, what we're waiting on is the ETF news. If that hits, it's showtime. But if it does not, then we're looking for probably some red until May, when the halving starts, and then we're gonna get the nice moves. Up to you. Your faith is what will make it happen. Either way, if it does, it does. If it doesn't, add more money. Keep adding money to crypto and different assets. You'll thank me later. All right, guys. Catch you later. Join the Telegram.